What is Arduino UNO? Arduino UNO is a microcontroller board which is based on the ATmega328P chip. It has developed by Italian students in 2003. The students wanted to create a simple and low-cost microcontroller that is easily programmable. Technical data of Arduino UNO are 3. It has 14 pin for digital input or output. Option for 8-bit pulse width modulation output and 6 output pins. 6 analog inputs. 10-bit analog to digital converter. 5-volt operating voltage. Processor clock speed is 16 MHz. It has 32 KB flash memory and 2 KB SRAM memory. Serial communication pins for receive and transmit serial data. What you can use Arduino for? Arduino can collect data from 6 analog sensors at the same time. Sensors can be, for example, temperature and humidity sensor, photoresistor, sound sensor, ultrasonic sensor or pressure sensor. There is also 14 digital pins on Arduino that can be used for input or output. For example, DC motors and servos can be controlled by Arduino's pulse width modulation outputs. By combining sensors, servos and DC motors you can build, for example, a mini tank robot. Arduino's programming. Arduino needs to be programmed with a computer. The program used for programming is Arduino IDE. There are lots of examples in Arduino IDE that help to get started with the coding. Coding language is based on C++. Arduino UNO offers an easy and inexpensive way to get to produce a variety of mechatronics projects. Here is a couple of projects implemented with the Arduino. Automatic chessboard, robot kitten, nuclear reactor. You can find these 3 projects and many other interesting Arduino projects behind the link below.